First I made a couple of slats, a little bit longer and higher than necessary for the sides. And then I'm just slowly easing it in, just making the sides and height shorter and shorter until it really fits well. Now we have all the strips that are not the right height, a little bit higher than what's needed, but I'll shave that off after it's glued in. See what we have. This is a little bit heavier. I got 3 sheets in here. Then I got 2 glossy whites. I got one separate that's not glossy. I have to cut this sheet down to about 73 inches for the bed. Okay, what do you think about it? Everything fine? Yeah? No problems? Okay. Bye. Now I have a 73-inch long piece for the bed, and now I still have to cut off about 6 inches of that. This is a matte white, same as the glossy, but it's matte. It's a thinner material as well. The glossy is heavy and thick. This is probably easier to work with. I got a few small cabinet doors that need Formica on all sides. I'm using two types of Formica. It's both white, but this is a matte finish, which I put on, and that'll be for the inside. And then on the sides as well as on the front, I'll be using a high gloss, in this case white Formica. I'll be putting on strips first, so after the inside I'll put on the sides, and then after the sides have been finished, I'll be putting on the front side. Because the sides of the plywood are very porous, it sucks in the glue, so I'll give that a second coat. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.